What we're doing right now is a little trick that we learned along the way, is we're putting water in before we mix our material. Sometimes it's powdered fast mud and sometimes it's grout. In this case, it's a grout. So we're going to pour that in and then we're going to mix it with a battery-powered beater. Took it right out of the kitchen, not my wife's kitchen, but a kitchen somewhere, and we're mixing it up. Particularly works with small batches. You don't want to do this for like big batches of like a thin set and things like that, because you're going to end up using quite a lot. Although this can make quite a lot and keep it busy for quite a while. A pan full of grout, in this case unsanded grout, will go a long ways, even at 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch.
What determines use for sanded or unsanded?
Well, the sanded generally is where you're not going to clean up as much. It's kind of so you don't slip. There's other reasons, but an unsanded is like in bathrooms and kitchens, so you can clean readily. If you had sanded, imagine trying to rub grease out of that or anything else that might have got up on the wall. It'd be hard to clean with sand in grout. So it's generally good to use unsanded in kitchens and in bathrooms, especially kitchen walls.